entered the scene with its self-driving car project, now known as Waymo. This marked a pivotal moment, as a major tech company threw its hat in the ring, demonstrating the commercial potential of self-driving cars. Tesla, not to be outdone, introduced its autopilot system in 2015, bringing semi-autonomous driving to the mass market. In the same decade, we also saw Uber start testing its own self-driving cars, signaling a shift towards autonomous ride-sharing. Now, in the mid-2020s, we're witnessing a surge in the development of self-driving technology. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Baidu are investing heavily in autonomous vehicles, and the race to full autonomy is heating up. From the first autonomous vehicle to the AI-powered cars that we see today, the evolution of self-driving technology has been truly remarkable. As we look to the future, we can expect this technology to continue advancing, transforming our roads, our cities, and our lives. The revolution is not just coming, it's here. So, what does this self-driving revolution mean for us? Well, the key points we've touched on today paint a vibrant picture of a future where AI is in the driver's seat. We're looking at an era of enhanced safety, where advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms work together to predict and prevent accidents. This isn't just about making our roads safer, it's about saving lives. Moreover, self-driving technology promises to redefine our commuting experiences. It's about personalized, hands-free travel, where you can relax, work, or even catch up on your favorite series during your daily commute. The impact on the transportation industry and society is profound. We're talking about a seismic shift towards efficiency, with the potential to drastically reduce traffic congestion and CO2 emissions. And let's not forget the broader societal implications. Autonomous vehicles could provide mobility for those who are currently unable, increasing independence and quality of life. As AI takes the wheel, the future of transportation looks promising, efficient, and incredibly exciting.